All right, Leo, little Doc's in the house again. He's visiting. He's off for summer school camp. No camp today. 2022 Lowrider S FXLRS here for a 16-inch handlebar swap. He's going with the cyclesmith 16-inch handlebars, and then obviously we're going to go with the Magnum shielding cable kit. So it's going to look very nice. Internal wiring. It's going to be a nice before and after. It's not too late to get involved. 10% off your cables. 15% off your bars. Give us a call. What do you think? All right, Leo, we're back. The 2022 Lowrider S FXLRS, brand new bike here for handlebar jobs. You went with the cyclesmith 16-inch ape hangers. We had to go with Magnum shielding cable kit that had to be custom made. The bike's kind of like a unicorn, non-ABS, 2022 Lowrider S. Came out great. He's gonna love them. We did the grips, levers, handlebars, and that's about it. So a little before and after. If you guys are looking for a little bit of upgrade on your Harley, give us a call. 10% off cables, 15% off handlebars. We'll have you in and out with quality work.